Hello everyone! Welcome to Aurnpathway. I'm Kristine Dawang, the Program Manager and Lead Educator in Sydney. And of course, if you're based in Melbourne and Gold Coast, you will meet the other educator there soon. And we'll hopefully open more areas soon. And we wanted to thank you for those of you who have already enrolled in Aurnpathway. Thank you for your trust. And for those of you who haven't enrolled yet, please do enroll with us. We will make sure that we will help you pass and ace your OSCE. And it's our passion, of course, to realize your dream to becoming a registered nurse here in Australia. Look, we pretty much the online learning modules that we've created for you, we've made it as specific as possible to the stations that you will be going through on the actual practical exam. And we did also curated real nursing clinical scenarios that includes clinical competency. So you could practice anytime, anywhere on your own space pretty much. Isn't that amazing? And also upon enrollment, you will get an access to the OSCE Essential Handbook that will be included in the training program. And we are definitely excited for you to be part of your dream to becoming a registered nurse in Australia. And again, we wanted to thank you in advance for your enrollment at Aurnpathway. I will link the website down below, and so you could look into more information in regards to the training program. And also down below I've linked there's a downloadable link on 5 steps guys on how to pass your OSCE in Australia, which is very helpful. Me being a nurse educator for 5 years now, I'm sure there's a lot to learn in there, so make sure you download it. And if you find this video informational, we will be uploading a lot of nursing informational videos, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button below, so then you will be notified whenever we upload those videos. And again, thank you so much for being with us today, for watching this video. And I'm excited to meet my future nursing students on the face-to-face training. See ya!